Hello. Welcome back to my channel with Lupita Aide here at Lupita's Life Journey. Today we have a total different video, you guys. I am going to be eating this pickle, which it was sent to me as a birthday gift by my friend Cecilia. So thank you so much, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. I am gonna be also sharing some stuff, so stay tuned. If you are new, welcome. This is usually not the content I make here. This is just something that I've been wanting to do. This channel has all kinds of content, not only behind the scenes. It has family vlogs, it has like just me talking to you guys, and it also has some snacks. If you guys go way back, you guys will see that there is some snacks videos. So this is one of those. I'm already swallowing saliva. So if that's something you want to watch, continue watching. If not, sorry. But this channel, I've said it before, it has a little bit of everything. So with that said, welcome guys. So I'm gonna share with you guys everything that comes in this kit. Again, I did put it in my list of my birthday list, and Cecilia was nice enough to send me one. I'm gonna leave it linked in my storefront, okay, in case you guys want to put your hands on it. It comes with, of course, the famous Big Tex dill pickle in Chamoy, okay, and it comes with sprinkles, and it comes with the takis, and it comes with pickle, and this is another kind of pickle. I think this is like the red one. It comes with Lucas. This is like a red powder. The Lucas chili. And of course, our fruit roll-up. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items. So let me get a plate and let's get ready to eat. I am ready. So I'm gonna open up this pickle and I'm gonna put the juice here. I use this juice in my hot chips, in my takis, in my all kind of chips that I like. I love it. I'm only gonna eat half of it because I'll save the other half for another thing. Okay guys, so I had to change spots because I didn't want people to hear what I'm saying. I mean, I know they're gonna watch the video, but it's not the same knowing that they're listening to me. I feel weird. Anyway, so let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna be cutting this pickle in half, and I'm gonna roll it up with my roll-up. Now I have dynamite. This is separate, okay? I just love dynamite. So You know why? It is like more than an hour later. So guys, I did post different places to leave me some questions. If you have questions that you guys wanted me to answer, I didn't get any. Only on my last budget video I got some questions, but it was more like regarding what I was saying in that video. So I don't know if I should answer them here. You know what? Yes, because I did mention. Yes, I did mention it in the video to leave questions, but those were like the only two, and I'm gonna go ahead and answer those before I start eating this. So one of the questions was if I had permit to sell ceviche, because I did started selling ceviche this week. Food, it's not hot food, it's a cold food. Ceviche. So I don't have the permission, but I did my research and I don't need a permission because I'm selling in my house, and also I am not selling more than certain amount and other things. So I did went on the website and I did search. I still want to get more info though and see if I can get something just to, you know, be on the safe side and, you know, do things right. But as far as what I saw, I don't need a permit because I'm selling from home. If I was selling outside, like a stand or, you know, my own little spot, then yes, I need a city permit. I think this candy got hot and now it does not want to peel off from the plastic. Oh, there you go. So I'm gonna continue doing my research because maybe I'm wrong. You know, you never know. And I want to do things right. So I'll continue looking into that. But it went well, guys. Oh my goodness. It went well. I made 140. I spent, I don't remember, but after what I spent, I made 140. So that's really good. Now, if you eat this, just know that your fingers are gonna end red, like super red. So you want to either wear gloves or know that your fingers are gonna get red and they're gonna stay red for the next day or two. Okay? I have to go check on the baby because I heard her cry. But she's okay. Now these are the takis. So yeah, guys, it went really good. I've been wanting to sell ceviche for a long time, like about 2 years, if not more. But I never dared because I was afraid, you know, of getting in trouble with the city or whatever. Somebody calling the city on me or, you know. But then the girl told me, she was like, no, like you can sell food from home as long as you're not selling in public. Like you won't get in trouble. Like search it up, and I did. I did, and I'm not gonna do it all the time. It's only gonna be here and there, maybe once a week. You know, who knows? Who knows? Maybe in the future, I end up putting a little location. You never know. You never know. Another question was regarding my baby. Well, not the baby, but I am a single mom. Okay, no, I don't get child support. And I have never asked for child support. Yes, I do struggle financially. That's why I have, that I do share all of that on my budget channel. And I know a lot of people say to put child support on the dad, but I've never received child support, and I just don't. I mean, we all have our own opinions, and mine is I don't want to have to deal with court, having to put kids through that. It's horrible. Sometimes the kids don't want to go to their dads, or sometimes the dads don't want to take care of the kids. I'm not saying that's my situation, but it's horrible having to put them through that. And I'm saying it because I've heard from other kids saying that. So I don't want to put my kids through that. If the father wants to be present, good. If he doesn't, good. I've never been the kind of mom to, no, if they're gonna be in their life, it's because they want to, not because I'm forcing them through court. Financially, yeah, it's his responsibility. Yes, he should be helping me, but again, I don't want to do that, because then I don't know, like, I don't want to have to give my daughter to somebody and who knows what's gonna happen. Yeah, he's the dad. Yeah, he has the right, but if he doesn't look for that right, I am not gonna be the one to push him to have to take care of my daughter. A lot of crazy things happens, and I refuse to put my daughter in hands of somebody that I really don't trust. If he wants to be around my daughter, perfect. Visitations, perfect. You want to help me financially, thank you. Communication, co-parenting, I'm up for it, but I don't want to have to force it. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Anyway, I feel like I'm missing something. I'm missing a lot of things, actually. I'm missing tapatio. I'm missing my hot Cheetos. That's like my number one thing, hot Cheetos. I didn't know I didn't have any. I would have waited if I would have known. Anyway, cheers. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And I'm gonna change the subject. I am currently waiting on the renewal of my DACA. If you didn't know, I am a DACA recipient. I know a lot of people don't talk about the subject, but I am, and I'm, you know, I've been working as a CNA, care provider, as a DACA recipient. But it's taking too long to renew, and I'm scared. I don't know what I'm gonna do if I'm not even gonna say it. So you can please put me in your prayers so that it can get approved soon. I only have till July, midst of July. My job already called me asking for it, for the new one, and it's a waiting game. That's not the reason why I started studying ceviche, but just in case, I'm glad that the idea came to my mind. So I need to find ways of making money other than my job. Just in case anything happens. But initially the ceviche idea was to pay debt. I'm gonna use that to pay debt. Let me change how I say words, how I say things, huh? This is delicious. Remember, it's in my storefront, link down below. If not, it's in my Linktree. Linktree. You can find it there too. With hot Cheetos is amazing. I have another one that I bought on TikTok. I'm gonna do a video on that too. I don't know if for this channel, it depends on the results of this video, but it has way more things. Anyway, if you're a single parent, just know that even when you have hard times, know that you're gonna get through. My provider is God, and He has never failed me, one way or another. I come out good, one way or another. But it's Him all the time. Sorry guys, when I'm eating this, I forget I was supposed to be sharing some stuff with you guys. I am very happy to be back on this channel, my budget channel. So excited. Now my business is taking like another route. People's looking for me to do stickers for their businesses, t-shirts for their businesses, and I am doing less of cash stuffing items or budget items, but I want to do more of the budget. Only that I don't know what God has prepared for me, but whatever it is, I'm ready. I'm gonna eat my other one with hot Cheetos. This is the inside of the pickle. So those were the only two questions that I recall seeing. And I understand, because I've told you guys that I'm gonna make a Q&A and I just don't. But life be lifing. It's like sometimes, like the day of the ceviche, I went to pick up my daughter from her job, took her to her other job because she works in the parks of the city, coaching for sports. Right now they're in baseball, and sometimes she goes to more than one park in the same day. She doesn't drive, so I went, took her to her other park, came home, fed the baby, did some shopping, went to pick her up, took her to the other park, came home, feed the baby, do some shopping, went to the park, picked her up, passed to the store, came here, do more shopping. Luckily Valerie was helping me. Denise was at work, but in and out, in and out, in and out. Oh my god, it took me forever to make that ceviche. And I have a lot of days like that where I have a lot of things to do, but I have a lot of mommy things to do too, you know. So if you're home, you have a partner that provides for you. I know some moms get tired of being home because they say they don't do nothing, all they do is stay home. I understand. I wish I had a little bit of that. Not entirely stay home, but a little bit. I work. I am a full-time mom. And I'm not victimizing myself. I'm saying I'm proud of myself. My kids are not bad. I have good kids. Only that it's just hard, you know. when it comes to, oh, you know, who's waiting for me, you know, having that, I wish I had a partner for that, you know, like, have that somebody that's waiting for you, watch a movie, you know. But it didn't work. I was single for so many years, like single, celibate, nothing. And then I started dating. I felt guilty, so I stopped. I went another 7 years or so, again single, no partner, no nothing. And I tried it again. I was like, you know what, Nathan's about to be, Nathan was 12. I was like, Nathan's about to be, you know, 13. Why not? Gave myself that opportunity. Dated for a couple months. Boom. I get pregnant. I was so mad at myself. I was feeling guilty, mad, felt irresponsible, felt like I failed myself. I felt so many things because I knew the day of, I knew it didn't work, protection didn't work, so that's how I knew that I was gonna end up pregnant. So yeah, 2 weeks later I see my positive. I was even more mad. But, and if my daughter sees this one day, because I know a lot of you is gonna say, oh my God, when she sees this. No, I was mad because I was done. But once I saw the 2 lines and I processed it, I thought, because people will tell me, you have options. Yes, I have options, but that's not an option for me. And I love my daughter. Best thing that could have happened to me in these years. I don't know what I would do without her. Right now, I love all my children the same. I don't love one than another. They all have different needs. They all, you know, but I communicate with all of them the same. They open up to me. I open up to them. I know that there is a saying that you give more attention to the one that needs it more. And yeah, that is true. Sometimes Valerie needs it more. Sometimes it needs it more. Sometimes Brian needs it more. Sometimes Nathan needs it more. And I love all of them the same. And I don't know why my light is like getting darker. But yeah, I am happy that I didn't even gave a thought on having choices. I am happy. I'm struggling. I'm not gonna deny it. I am struggling, and I am struggling a lot. But who's gonna take away that happiness? Nobody. Who's here to help me when I'm struggling? Only the people close to me, and you guys the ones that support me, that, you know, check on me and stuff. Other than that, that's it. You know, I do have a village, and my village has never failed me, thank God. Financially, I don't get help, of course. It's not like if my sister's gonna come and here, Lupita, $200, or, you know, No, but when I say my village, my support, I mean the people that brings me up when I'm down, that, you know, that is there when I'm feeling down, when I'm sad or, you know, depressed, or, you know, like today I was feeling down because I saw a post of my sister, and she's not going through anything, but the post made me feel sad, and so I messaged them, you know, saying how I was feeling, and they boost my the way I was feeling. They brought it up, you know, and it was good. That's when I say I have my support system. They don't let me down. My kids never let me down. They're always checking on me. Are you okay, mom? Hey, mom, what are we gonna do? Hey, mom, this. Hey, mom, that. So I'm happy. And my pickle, it's gone. Well, it's not gone, but the piece that I was gonna eat. And I just wanted to share that. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more of myself. And for those that think that anything other than what I'm okay with, well, it's okay. I guess that we all have different opinions, and our opinions are based on what we have gone through. So it's okay. What you think, it's okay. What I think, it's okay. Your opinion is valid, and my opinion is valid, and life is great. Life is beautiful. Let's live life. Okay, I'm happy, and I just want to say that I love you guys all, and thank you for watching. If you're still here, leave me some snacks down below. And I'm sorry for the quality. I should have brought my light in here. I honestly thought this was gonna be bright, but it's not at all. So next time I'll make sure there's more light. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.